Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another Python 3 tutorial series video. This time I'll be showing you how to make multiple variables at once, which is also called multiple assignment, and you'll be able to give them all their data in one line of code, basically. So you're going to be able to create a variable, multiple variables on one line of code, and then give them all data on one line of code. If you don't know what that means, I'll just show you. But think of it this way. You have three dogs, right? And each of these dogs have a name. So you could quite simply just create three variables and give them each values three separate times, or you could simply do it all at once on one line of code. So let me show you what I mean. So let's open up the PowerShell, and we gotta type Python here, so we'll open up the Python, and now we can start coding. So if we want to make three dogs, we can simply just do dog1 equals like 23, dog2 equals 5 or 4, and then dog3 equals 66. We could easily just do that. But if you have a lot of variables in your code and your programs, which you'll have in the future, that can get pretty tedious and painful. So let me show you how to do it the manual way. I mean the easier way. So we're gonna have three doggies, doggy 1, doggy 2, and doggy 3, and then we'll assign their values now. And we don't know how to do strings yet. I don't think I've covered that, so we're just gonna use numbers. So 10, 20, 30. So enter, enter. That's weird. And then we should be able to access these now. Doggy 1 equals 10, doggy 2, 20, and doggy 3. So that's pretty cool. So let's try another one. Let's do doggy 5 or 4 and doggy 5 equal 7 and 8. Oops. Oh, I made an error. You can't have a space in your variable names, of course. So doggy 4 and doggy 5. There we go. That's pretty cool. So another way we can use this if we have multiple names or numbers or something, but they're all the same value, like for a temporary value, we can just set them all to be the same thing. So we can do it like this. Let me show you what I mean. So let's say we have three cats, right? Cat 1, cat 2, and cat 3, right? So if we want them to all be the same thing, cat 2, cat 3, and then here is where you put the value. Or unless you want to add more, you know. But you can put the value at the end. So I'm going to do 2.5 million, so that big number right there should be it. And then enter, and then if we access each of these, cat 1, cat 2, cat 3, and they're all 2.5 million. So that's pretty cool. That's a lot of cats too. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed this little episode. Leave a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more, and peace.